Hey guys, it's Angelia Bliss. So glad you're here and you decided to tag along with this on this collaboration, Blooming with Friends. We had Garrett Brown's studio. He is freaking amazing. We also had Amber's awfully awesome art. Amber, I hope I didn't mess that up too much. Lori Houston art. There's so many nice things to say about her. She's the sweetest person, and everyone else too. And Louise McKay Art, who just went before me. So we are so glad that you stuck around, and I hope that you had a good time, and we're excited to maybe do this again soon. So without further ado, let me show you what I'm painting today. Some of you guys have seen it circulating around some of the groups, but this is it. I haven't resined it yet, but the back is taped and it is ready to be resined. I was going to paint over this, and then I had such awesome response to it that I didn't. The reason why I thought that it wasn't perfect was because it was a little bigger than the canvas. I wanted to kind of see a little more negative space all around it. So we will revisit this maybe in another blooming party coming soon, hopefully. So anyways, guys, take care of yourselves. Let me spike down so you can see me. Take care of yourselves, and we are so glad that you were with us. And yeah, watch and see how I create this. Let's have some fun. Thanks, guys.